Tired of missing out on crypto airdrops and watching others rake in free tokens? Then you're not going to want to miss this. In this video, I'll unveil the ins and outs of crypto airdrops, showing you how to secure your share of free tokens. Only the legit ones, not the duds or scams. So stick around as I'll be sharing my exact routine on how to find the best airdrops, allowing you to position yourself to catch the next airdrop and maybe, just maybe, earn some free money in the process. Welcome to Crypto Bookworm, your go-to channel for easy-to-grasp crypto education. Here, I break down the complexities of the digital asset world into bite-sized animated lessons. I personally believe crypto is the future of finance, and I'm here to help you make sense of it all. So, let's get right into it. Now, what exactly is a crypto airdrop? It's a method where you can snag free tokens from a crypto project. Sometimes you may need to perform simple tasks or handle minor transaction fees, but many airdrops are indeed absolutely free. Airdrops serve as promotional tools for startups, distributing tokens to existing cryptocurrency traders either freely or for minimal promotional effort, creating a buzz in the community. The potential for earning from airdrops can be exciting given the volatile nature of crypto. Airdrops are like surprise parties, only with digital confetti that can sometimes turn into real cash. The value of airdropped tokens can skyrocket or plummet in a heartbeat, yet they cost nothing, so they hold the potential for a sweet return. The airdrop phenomenon kickstarted in 2014 with Aurora Coin. This project gifting every citizen of Iceland free cryptocurrency to introduce them to the crypto world. The entire nation buzzed with the excitement of free digital money. I still remember my excitement as I discovered I was eligible for the Uniswap airdrop. It was just a calm evening in 2020 when a prompt on my screen lit up, igniting a wave of anticipation. With a few eager clicks, 400 Uni tokens were mine, effortlessly boosting my digital wallet by about $1,200. It wasn't merely about the money, but also the rush of being right there in the heart of the crypto action. Every day, new airdrops pop up, but some are easier to snag than others. The history is rich, the potential is enticing, and the process is ever evolving. But how do these airdrops work? How can you be sure you're not missing out on the next big drop? And how do you navigate to avoid scams while hunting down genuine airdrop opportunities? These are pressing questions for sure. Now, let me dig into how exactly crypto airdrops work to unravel your concerns. Crypto projects have a certain number of tokens designated for airdrops. To receive these tokens, you'll need to meet certain criteria or complete specific tasks. Each airdrop offers the thrill of the chase in order to meet the requirements, the anticipation as you wait to see if you've made the cut, and the joy of seeing those free tokens in your wallet. There are different ways to participate in airdrops: signing up, performing actions, or holding existing tokens. Here's a closer look at the three common types. First up, standard airdrops. Here, tokens are distributed freely, requiring little to no action from you. Typically, you would just need to have an account on the platform distributing the tokens. However, there's often a limited number of tokens available, so the early bird gets the worm. I remember the day Looks Rare, an NFT marketplace, launched its platform, rewarding early adopters with Looks tokens. The process was super easy. Just by being an active part of their community, I found myself with extra tokens in my wallet. Now on to bounty airdrops. These airdrops are task-oriented. You can earn tokens by completing various tasks beneficial to the crypto project. It's like your daily chores, but instead of getting a gold star or a pat on the back, you're earning real tokens. Although it requires more effort, think of it as the crypto world's way of saying, no work, no reward. And then we have holder airdrops. If you hold a certain number of tokens from another cryptocurrency, you're eligible to receive airdrop tokens. A snapshot of your wallet is taken at a specified moment, determining the amount you'll receive based on your holdings. It's like a loyalty reward, with your existing holdings unlocking new possibilities. Before you move on, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch my new short videos on exploring all things airdrops. Get overviews of upcoming airdrop projects, learn how to qualify, and stay updated on the latest timelines and news. Together, we'll experience all of the anticipation, challenges, and victories along the way. But if you want to dig deeper and do your own research, here's how I do it. I start my search on airdrops.io. a place that lists current and upcoming crypto airdrops. I love freebies, but I also like to know what I'm getting into. That's why I like how they sort out the sketchy airdrops, saving me a lot of research time. Now, the crypto world is big, and just one source isn't enough. So I also follow the Lord of Airdrops on his Medium page. This guy is great at finding airdrop opportunities. It's like having a helpful friend point out where the good stuff is. Next, there's Earnify. A quick look on this platform tells me if my wallet is eligible for any airdrops. It's like having a friend who gives you a nudge whenever there's free crypto around. Airdrops Mob is my trusty, reliable site. It's one of the original crypto airdrop tracking sites. Their daily updates are a perfect start to my airdrop hunting day. Now for a deeper look, I visit websites like DappRadar and DeFi Llama. They list info on various protocols, new crypto projects with specific rules and operations, and I just filter the lists by network to find projects with good value. That's usually a good sign, indicating a lower scam probability. I then focus on protocols that haven't released tokens yet and start interacting with them. The goal? Being active enough to catch any potential future airdrops. It's a bit of a gamble, but that's what makes it thrilling, right? The activities can vary from making transactions, providing liquidity, to swapping tokens. It's like being in a big crypto playground, and the more you interact and engage, the more you could potentially earn. The reality is, there's no set formula in this game. Every protocol has its own set of rules, and the community around it often has the best insight on how to interact with it. So I join the community, get involved, and stay alert for any mention of an airdrop. However, that does bring up an important question. Are crypto airdrops safe? Most of the time, airdrops seem harmless and safe, but that is not always the case. Scammers are clever, and they've turned something as exciting as airdrops into a playground for deceit. They'll create fake airdrop sites or even fake social media posts to lure you in. And once they've got you, they might ask for your private keys or other sensitive data. And just like that, your crypto wallet is empty before you know it. I can't help but recall the first time I got scammed. It was a fake airdrop promising heaps of tokens. The website looked legit, and the offer seemed too good to pass up. It was as easy as just prompting me to connect my wallet. Shortly after I did that, I watched in horror as my funds drained away. It was a tough and humbling lesson, but I was wiser in the end. Now, when I come across an airdrop, I play detective. I dive into the team behind the project, check their backgrounds, and scour their social media channels. Are they transparent? Does the community trust them? These are the questions that guide me. And then there's the common advance fee scam, where they'll ask you to send a small amount of crypto to qualify for the airdrop. It's absurd, right? Yet, many fall for it. Legit airdrops will never ask you to send them funds. So, if you come across such demands, it's a big red flag. I've also learned to keep my airdrop hunting separate. I use a dedicated email, a new ERC20 address for each airdrop, and I never, ever share my private keys. It's like having a separate room in your house for opening suspicious packages. If something goes wrong, the rest of the house stays safe. I also steer clear of downloading files from unknown sources. You never know what malware is lurking in there. So, are airdrops a fun way to earn free tokens? Absolutely. But remember, caution is your best friend on this journey. You need to keep your eyes wide open, do your research, and never let the excitement cloud your judgment. I hope I've made this confusing topic easier for you to understand. Don't forget to click the link right here to subscribe, right here to watch more videos, and make sure to check out CryptoBookworm.com. For those stuck in a should I, shouldn't I loop when thinking about investing in Bitcoin, don't miss our previous video where I take a closer look at the current state of Bitcoin and whether or not it's the perfect time to invest.